Hello there and welcome to another video, and today in this video I will be going over how to use ChatGPT to draw pictures in 2024. And if that sounds about right, then let's dive right in. Alright, so first of all, you would want to register for an account. If you do not have an account, then you can of course sign up for one. It's completely free and follow along. So the first thing you would want to note is that it is technically impossible to use ChatGPT to draw pictures. That is to technically use ChatGPT to draw pictures. Hopefully that made sense, right? You've asked this question severally and you haven't really gotten an answer that best suits you, or you might have asked ChatGPT the question itself and gotten a result such as this. It will tell you that it is primarily a text-based AI model designed for natural processing tasks, meaning it is basically impossible to use ChatGPT to draw pictures. First of all, the things you can use ChatGPT for that pertain to image drawing, right? Would be to one, describe the picture, and this is something ChatGPT is really good at. It can of course generate prompts for other AI models such as Midjourney and Leonardo AI. So that's something you can do, and of course you can ask for drawing tips, which is something ChatGPT is really great at, and you can equally use it to get inspiration, learn drawing concepts, and discuss art. Now, so these are basically the best things you can use ChatGPT for when it comes to pictures or basically anything graphics, right? So that's basically it. And what we will focus on is this one here, describe the picture. So what you would want to do to follow along, or you can try this later on, is you can go to Leonardo AI. So that's basically it right here, and this is an AI model for generating images, right? So hopefully that made a lot of sense. So what we can do is to use ChatGPT to generate prompts for Leonardo AI. So that's basically how that works, right? You can use other AI platforms, and they are a list of them, and I'll just ask ChatGPT for a list of AI image generators like Leonardo AI, and I should get a bunch of them hopefully. So we have Deep Art, Runway ML, Art Beats, like there are a couple of them right here. So I have no idea if most of these are still currently running, but you can do your research and find the one that best suits you, right? So what I will say is generate a prompt, generate a cyberpunk type prompt for Leonardo AI based on the art. Nope, not based, for a character, right? AI for a Naruto type character. So I'll just do this and hopefully I get something. Right, so we'll just copy this and we'll head over to Leonardo AI. Alright, so first of all, it is completely free, but the thing is you will be giving 150 tokens every day with an option to upgrade. So each generation you may cost a certain token, so it would be advisable to watch the way you spend. So what I will do is to go to image guidance, and I currently want to switch off the image guidance for this particular one, and then you can look for a particular model, AI model to work with. I'll just head over here and just pick something real quick. So one that I am used to working with is let's see, Leonardo Diffusion. I think I'll just, let's use this one, or probably this, right? So Leonardo Anime XL. Yeah, so this looks interesting. Yes, it does look interesting. So what I will do is to replace this text right here with the one we generated from ChatGPT, and that's currently what we're on right now. So I can choose certain features. So what I will do is to click on this. No, not photo real. Yeah. So we'll just generate 8, right? This will technically cost us more tokens, right? So, but either way, we'll just go with this. All right, so hopefully the images have been generated, and as you can see, this is a pretty good one, right? So yeah. What I can do, if you have a drawing already and you want the image provided to look similar to your drawing, what you can do is to take a picture of your drawing and click on image input right here, and there is an option to upload that image, and you can use ChatGPT to generate a prompt that best describes that image, and you can upload the image over here and then paste the prompt, right? So that's basically how to go about the process, how I would go about the process if I was trying to use ChatGPT to generate images. Yeah, so that's basically it for this video. If this video did give you some insights on how best to go about the process, then feel free to give this video a like, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in another video.